Hey, what's up guys, hope you're all doing well. So today in this video we'll talk about the non-eligible devices for the One UI 9 update. As we have already talked about the eligible devices for the One UI 9 update, in this video we will talk about specifically for the non-eligible devices. So starting off with the Galaxy S series, the flagship series, the Galaxy S22 series and the S21 FE is not included in the device list of the upcoming One UI 9 update. And the Galaxy Z Fold and Flip 4 and the Galaxy Tab S8 and S8 Ultra series is not included. If you talk about the mid-range series, so the Galaxy A73, A53, A33, A14, A08, A05 are not included in the device list. And some other devices of the M and F series like the M53 and the F53 are not included in the device list of the One UI 9 update. The last update for the Galaxy S22 series was of One UI 8.5. And if you talk about the update timeline, so now Samsung supports 7 years of OS and 7 years of security update after the 2024. But before that, it only supports 4 years of software update and 3 years of security update after it. That means that for the Galaxy S23 series, this will be the last software update. After the One UI 9 and Android 17, the Galaxy S23 series will not be receiving any further updates. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was a short video to tell you about the non-eligible devices on which the One UI 9 update is not coming. Drop your thoughts about this in the comment section below, and also let me know in the comments that which device of Samsung are you using right now. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.